Grüezi, buenos dias and hello. It's my pleasure to present you the big numbers for the month of June, which means we can already look back at the successful first half of the year. June itself has been a quiet trading month compared to May. On SIX Swiss Exchange, all segments registered less turnover than last month, with a total of 83.9 billion Swiss francs. However, it's a different picture if we look at the year-to-date figures, where all segments are up. After 6 months, a turnover has reached over 600 billion. This is a 21.1% increase over 2024. While the equity segment progressed by 16.1%, turnover in the ETF segment has more than doubled, reaching 68.8 billion. The same can be observed when looking at the number of trades. June saw less transactions than May, but year to date, the total is up 16.6%. Again, ETFs stand out with 56.1% more trades than in the first half of 2024. In June, the Swiss blue chip index SMI declined by 2.5% and dropped below the 12,000 points mark. Since the start of the year, the performance stands at 2.8%. For our auction volume discovery service, AVD, we had a record month for executions in the close since the introduction, and also a record month for executions AVD versus trading at last. Furthermore, SIX Swiss Exchange has successfully reached number 1 in dark LIS market share for the first time, with a market share of 23.3% in June. This achievement is also a testament to the steady and collaborative efforts over the past few years, alongside our clients, to support and optimize trading behaviors with our block solutions. Well done, guys! If you look at the listing space, we had a new company making its trading debut. MRIs joined SIX Swiss Exchange following its successful 100% spin-off from Holcim. At the opening price of 46 Swiss francs per share, the market capitalization was around 26 billion. We also welcomed Avantis Investors by American Century as a new ETF issuer, our 32nd in total, which listed their first active ETF on our exchange. We also had Societe Generale becoming a liquidity provider in quote on demand, our leading on-exchange RFQ solutions for ETF trading. I'm particularly happy that we could celebrate a major ETF milestone in June, passing the threshold of 2,000 products available to investors. So far this year, 170 new ETFs have been listed on SIX Swiss Exchange. If we look at the number of newly listed structured products, almost 12,000 in June represent a strong figure, pushing the total so far this year over 88,000, 60% more than by the end of June 2024. Let's now look at the figures of BME Exchange, where the month-on-month picture looks a bit different. With the exception of ETFs, all segments saw positive growth, most notably fixed income up 38%. Overall, trading turnover was up 11.7%, reaching 45.5 billion euros. After the first half of the year, turnover across all segments has increased by 9.4% to reach over 246 billion. The number of transactions across all segments progressed by 4.8% and reached over 17 million. In terms of listing, the fixed income segment saw a year-to-date increase of volumes by 19%, while the number of newly listed structured products increased by 18.5%. Furthermore, with Cupulas Properties and Hesrenta joining BME Scale Up, the 6th and 7th company have joined the growth markets of BME in June. The Spanish blue chip index IBEX35 ended the month at 13,992 points, which means that in the first half of the year its performance has been 20.7%. Last but not least, an important update. As we start into the second half of the year, SIX has just completed the acquisition of Acquis. Welcome to the SIX family. This marks a significant milestone which strengthens the position of SIX as a leading pan-European exchange innovator. With an aggregated 15% market share in European equity trading and access to 16 markets. We are excited to soon be able to offer our clients more liquidity, better market access, and innovative trading solutions. These were the big numbers of SIX Swiss Exchange and BME Exchange for June 2025. Many thanks for watching, and we hope you join us again next month.